Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your battery inside of your remote control key of your Vauxhall Corsa MK4, for example. There it is. This is a remote control key. And if there is some malfunction with a central locking system or with the starting your engine process, you have to do to replace the batteries inside. That means your car will give you information about this too, because the battery you have to replace as soon as possible. If you are see the remote control begins to shrink. Open the remote control easily, as you can see. Now you can see the remote controlled battery is an coin battery, and it is an CR2032 battery. And you will need a little flat screwdriver to get this battery out of position easily. So there it is, easy going. Now we can take this screwdriver and now we are gently lift up the battery as well. Easy going. It is a little bit tricky because of the three battery locks. The battery locks are made of plastic, so you have to be carefully. But you can handle this. If I can handle this, you can handle this. Of course. There it is. Battery is gone. To get a new battery inside your remote control key, take care of the plus and the minus pole. The plus pole have to be on the top side in this case, as you can see. Now push it back in position, and that it is. Job's done. The new battery is locked, and the new battery will get the connection immediately. Now replace or reassemble or push the cover back in position with in the right direction, as you can see, and then only push on top. Then job's done. Now your remote control battery is replaced and your key is ready to use after you synchronize the remote control. After changing the battery, unlock the door using the key in the lock. There is a lock, and push it in position. Now you have to rotate it to the left side. It is easy to rotate on the left side. Now your car is open and you can enter the interior side. There it is. Have a seat. Nice car. Now switching on the ignition. That will synchronize the remote control and it will get back the information of your car on the battery controlled remote key. Yeah. Let's start the engine, that you can see that it will work easily. Yeah. Engine is running, job's done. Now your battery is replaced and your remote controlled key is synchronized. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.